friends, I am Sarah. Welcome to my channel. Follow Raj.
Boss, it's my channel.
It's not your channel. It's our channel.
Okay, fine. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम चल रहे हैं वाहिगुरु की नगरी
वाहिगुरु की नगरी कहाँ?
अमृतसर।
अमृतसर गोल्डन टेम्पल।
यस, हम चल रहे हैं गोल्डन टेम्पल के साथ जलियांवाला बाग और वाघा बॉर्डर भी।
शुरू करते हैं इस ब्लॉग को।
Amritsar literally means the pool of nectar of immortality, is one of the major cities of Punjab state. This beautiful city is also home to the Harmandir Sahib, also known as the Golden Temple, the spiritual, the cultural center for Sikh religion. This important Sikh shrine attracts more visitors than the Taj Mahal, with more than 1 lakh visitors on weekdays alone, and is the most popular destination for non-resident Indians in whole of India. The holy lake looked blissful as it glimmered under the golden lights. I couldn't help but admire the glorious and bright marvel in front of me, Golden Temple at night. Here are some pics of the night scenes at the Golden Temple. अमृतसर आए और यहाँ का खाना नहीं खाया तो क्या किया. Here is the famous Kesara Dhaba delicious Punjabi thali with yummy lassi. Here are some breathtaking aerial shots of the beautiful Golden Temple. This magnificent place should be visited both in day and night to witness its beauty. The beacon of peace and tranquility, this immaculate center of Sikh religion is a sight to behold. One finds peace and calm even within the hustle. It's time to leave this majestic place and visit our next destination, Jallianwala Bagh. So we have reached Jallianwala Bagh, which is a historic garden and a memorial of national importance in Amritsar. This garden is where hundreds of unarmed Indian men, women and children were massacred heartlessly by the British Army in 1919. This incident, which is still considered as one of the most tragic incidents in India's history, came to known as the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. This is a section of wall that still bears the bullet marks. Now it's time to head to our last destination, Atari Wagah border, to witness the lowering of flags ceremony. It's such a nice feeling to see your national flag soaring high. So we have reached our last destination of the day, Atari Wagah border, and we are about to witness the lowering of flag ceremony. The lowering of flag ceremony at the Atari Wagah border is a daily military practice that the security forces of India and Pakistan have jointly followed since 1959. The duel is characterized by elaborate and rapid dance like maneuvers and raising legs as high as possible, which creates a great passion towards your country. Bharat Mata Ki Jai, shouting this slogan over the top of your voice with thousand other overcharged and pumped up spectators with patriotism coursing through your veins while facing the Pakistani border forces and crowd is the most electrifying experience I have had in a very long time. It is alternatively a symbol of two countries' rivalry as well as brotherhood and cooperation between two nations, that is India and Pakistan. This ceremony takes place every evening immediately before sunset at the Wagah-Atari border, which as part of the Grand Trunk Road was the only road link between these two countries before opening of Aman Setu in Kashmir in 1999. It is called the Beating Retreat Border Ceremony on the international level. One infantryman stands at the attention on each side of the gate. As the sun sets, the iron gates at the border are opened and the two flags are lowered simultaneously. The ceremony starts with a blustering parade by the soldiers from both the sides and ends up in the perfectly coordinated lowering of two nations' flags. Let's watch some fun moments while watching the ceremony and beating the heat.
अरे ये सहन होएगा पागल, वो देखना क्या ही कर रहा है, बुला ना उधर।
अरे वो उसको नहीं आने का यहाँ।
वो देख रहा था यहाँ पे कुशाल।
अरे उसको दिखाया ना हाथ, किधर आया वो?
It was quite humid and heat was unbearable.
मैं बैठे पंखा मंगा रहा हूँ।
Let the action begin.
अबे क्या बे डरावा बे।
It's time to say goodbye. Catch you soon in my next vlog. Let's end with the Josh is high.